I made a few videos last month about how much YouTube pays me for my videos and how much they've paid me for some videos that have millions of views, and a lot of you really enjoyed those videos, but I also had a lot of people reach out and ask me to share how much I earned from YouTube when I was first starting out and my channel was really small, and how long it took me to earn my first $1,000 here on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Now, what I have to start by saying is that, as some of you know, I've actually had two different YouTube channels. Back in 2012, I started a beauty channel. I ran it for a few years, and then I ended up shutting it down. And then in 2017, I started this channel that you guys are watching right now. So when I started my first channel, my videos were really awful at first. You can see the thumbnails for just a few of them here, and I'm sure you can tell by these thumbnails just how awful they were. So I started in September of 2012, and so I'm going to take you over to look at my analytics so you can see how long it took me to start actually earning money for these videos. Okay, so here we are in my analytics. Here are the views, and you can see that in this first 2 years of running this channel, I ended up earning a total of just over $500. If we click on the revenue tab, you can see that I started earning a little bit of money in January of 2013. So not very long into starting the channel, just about 4 months or so after I uploaded my first video, I started earning money. But it was really just a couple pennies here and there. And it wasn't until we got to this point right here that I earned my first $1 in a day. I had a video take off a little bit there. But I didn't get my first check until over a year into running that channel. When I did get that first check, it was for about $100, which is the amount that your first YouTube check is normally for, because YouTube pays out when you earn your first $100. So even though I was just earning a few pennies here and there, a dollar here and there, that money eventually added up and I got that first check. Over that first 2-year period, I earned a total of over $500. Most of that was earned in the second year, which means that I ended up earning about $50 a month. So yes, I was making money on YouTube, but it wasn't very much. Okay, so now let me show you what happened when I started my current YouTube channel. So I started uploading videos to the new YouTube channel in May of 2017. So at this point, it's been a bit over 2 years since I started the channel. So let's take a look at the analytics. Okay, so here's the graph for the views that I got on this channel, and at first it doesn't look that exciting compared to the other one until you realize how much bigger the numbers on the right are. So you can see that after I've been running the channel for about 6 months or so here, I was getting 10 to 20,000 views per day on the channel, which was a lot more views than I was getting on the first channel. And if we click over to the revenue tab, you can see that by August, I was earning significantly more money than I was earning with the first channel. I started earning $5, $10, $20 a day, and I actually got my first check from YouTube in August of 2017. So just about 3 months into running this new channel, I got my first check for $113. And after that, the money started coming faster and faster. By December of 2017, so just 4 months after I got that first check, I got a check for $2,249. A lot more than that $100 check, and in fact a lot more than I had earned in the entire first 2 years of running my first channel. So you can see that the money that YouTube was paying me really started adding up a lot more quickly. So how long did it take me to earn my first $1,000 on YouTube? Well, with channel number 1, it ended up taking me about 3 years. With channel number 2, it took me just 6 months to earn my first $1,000. I started the channel in May, and by October 20th, I had reached $1,015 in revenue earned from my YouTube videos. A whole lot faster than with that first channel. So if you're starting your channel right now and you're wondering how quickly you're going to be able to start making money with your channel and how long it will take for that money to really start adding up, I would say that if you're just completely shooting in the dark and you're not really putting any effort into making your videos good or optimizing them for YouTube search or anything like that, it might take you a few years before you start making any money with your channel. In fact, you might never start making money if you aren't putting some effort into your videos. But if you put a little bit more effort into doing it the right way and you actually work on making good quality videos, you do some keyword research to find topics that people are actually interested in watching videos about, and you optimize your videos for YouTube search, then you're gonna start to see some growth a lot more quickly. At this point, I don't just have data from my channel, but I also have data from dozens of clients that I've worked with, hundreds of students who have taken my courses, and thousands of other channels that we've analyzed. And I can tell you that what happened on my channel, it wasn't just a happy accident. I didn't just get lucky. We consistently see that people who follow good practices on a basic level. I'm not talking about doing something particularly extraordinary, making cinematic quality videos, or having a team of people promoting their videos or anything like that. I just mean they're making basically good videos about topics people are interested in watching, and they have interesting looking thumbnails, things like that. Really simple, basic things. Those people, they see that growth, and within the first 3 to 6 months, they typically get their first check from YouTube, and it quickly grows from there. So I hope that you find this inspirational and encouraging if you're starting your channel, or maybe you've been working on your channel for a little while and you're wondering, will you ever get paid for your videos? The answer is yes. And if you're not seeing that growth, then please do reach out. You can always send me an email or just leave a comment on one of my videos. I'm always happy to help you guys out. I often go and look at your channel if you leave a comment so that I can really see what you're up to. So if you're not sure about maybe why your channel isn't growing, just ask. I'm happy to help you. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, then consider subscribing. I make 2 videos every single week, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. So just click that red subscribe button below right now so that you don't miss it. Okay, well, that's all for now, but until next time, take care and stay focused.